you'll notice that European art through the ages is clear.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 a.m. At 3:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Doylestown, or 17 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ewing, Doylestown, Byram, Hatboro, Flemington, Chalfont, Pennington, New Hope, Hopewell, Brynothin, Iveland, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Skillman, Willow Grove, Belmead, Lumberville, Rickboro, and Sargent.
Overhead.